Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I did something that I don't ordinarily do. I actually waited for a release time and went online on the Happy Planner site and placed an order. I'm going to open this from the bottom. This just came today. I ordered it, what was it? I don't know when it was. Whenever that release, they had their most recent release. Let's just dig in. I was really curious about this, and I didn't hear them say anything about it coming to stores. When I was watching the live stream, I thought she said that there was a $7.95 shipping credit, but apparently it's for international only and not for US. But this is what I got because I was really curious. So this is the 2020 Skinny Mini. So it's really tiny, about the size of the palm of my hand. Let's take the packaging off. So it measures 2.643 inches wide by 7 inches tall. Let's do some comparing. This is a mini happy planner. So this is what it looks like in comparison to the mini. Of course, they are the same height, but it is approximately half the width. I don't think it's exactly half, but close. And then for further comparison, this is the Skinny or Hobonichi, as it's been called, or Happy Nichi. So that's the comparison of the three of them together. And I wanted to also compare it to the Hobonichi Weeks, which is really what it's compared to. They're almost exactly the same as in size. The papers in the Hobonichi Weeks are wider, I would say by about a half inch to 3/4 of an inch. But as far as the overall size of the whole planner, as far as comparison, they're almost exactly the same. So that means pretty much anything that this would fit in, as long as it allows for the width of the discs, then this would fit in it as well. Yep, they are comparable in size. Let's look inside and see what we got. So this is a 12-month planner. I don't know how much planning you can get on this, but that's what it says, 12 months. And let's get that Hobonichi out again. Should look at the size. So this is their little welcome mess. This is like grocery list paper. It's cute. This is what the month looks like, the monthly. And then, well, if you don't have a lot of plans, or if you just want to jot down stuff, or if you're just tracking, or, I mean, we use small planners like this. You think about the micro, which is this size. I mean, it's really about the same size as far as the width as the micro. Yeah, so I know a lot of people are saying, oh, it's so small, what are you going to actually write in there? If you think about it, there's other small planners. The only difference is this one is long and skinny and not just small and compact like that micro I just showed is, but still, it's dated. It has like this peachy pink tone. This is what the dividers look like. And here's the next month. So I guess every month is the same in every, yeah, I think they're all the same. You just have different dashboards, but the color scheme is the same throughout. And yeah, it's just a tiny teeny planner. That I paid way too much for if you include the shipping. And I'm not sure I would want this in my, I don't know if this would be good in the purse. I know they have purses that they made for them. I didn't actually see the one for the Skinny Mini. I saw the one for the Mini Happy Planner. But, yep, this is what it looks like. I don't know. You could use it for budget tracking, tracking your expenses. I mean, you can use it for pretty much anything you would use any other planner for. It just depends on how much you need to put in it. But I think it's a cool idea. I think it's cute. And again, not everything is for everybody. If this size works for you, then that's great. It's cute. Again, it's not, I mean, yeah, I guess the Hobonichi Weeks is a little bigger. But if you consider that the Hobonichi Weeks, everything is on one page. Look at that. So, I mean, you get this grid space, but look at the comparison. I think I would rather have this than the Hobonichi Weeks. I don't know. I think maybe a lot of people were looking at the size as being able to decorate, but you don't need to decorate. I mean, you don't need to decorate it. Not really. You could put a little strip of washi here and there, and that would be good. So I think it's pretty cute and interesting. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents worth. I just wanted to come on and show the comparison in size. My first ever order directly from the Happy Planner. I doubt that I will ever do it again. I mean, if they pique my curiosity again, maybe, but I just don't see that happening because I feel like I paid way too much. I'm not used to paying full price and shipping on top of that. So it kind of just, it's disturbing to me. But I really wanted to see what this was about, so I did it. So drop down in the comments and let me know what you think about the new Skinny Mini. Did you get one? Are you planning to get one? I don't even know if they're sold out or not. But yeah, let me know what you think. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, come over and check us out at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.